Okay, so I just finished doing some electrical and I've got the horn installed. We're going to do a test. But here's, for the most part, how it works. It's all this little switch right here. And for it, you need direct power and direct negative to the battery. So over here, I just made a little, just a Y-off cable. And then from here, I plug in the power. So we got the red cord going into one of the cords here, and then the output cord from here goes directly into the positive for the horn, and then the horn's negative goes directly back into the battery. I don't know if that makes any sense. So now we're going to do a sound check. Okay, now for the sound check, there's the horn, here's the trigger, and let's go ahead and push it and see what happens. As you can see, it's quite loud. It's actually stupid loud. I can't even talk over it. Wow, it's ridiculous. I'll put the mic somewhere kind of close. So this is me talking, and this is the horn coming over my voice. So that was pretty loud.